This is day 14 of our 90 days online income challenge, and today we want to talk about Instagram. I want to show you all how to make money from your Instagram and also how to turn your followers into customers. Some of you already have a good number of following on your Instagram, but you don't know how to turn those following into regular and constant customers. So I'm going to show you all, explain to you all how to do it. You're welcome. My name is Onyi Omura. We'll just go straight into the video. Now, this is a fact I'm telling you all. Aside from YouTube, the next social media platform that has made me loads of money is Instagram. YouTube number 1, Instagram number 2. And guess what? I came on Instagram really late. I started, taking my Instagram account serious just 2 years ago. I think ending 2024. That was exactly when I became serious with my Instagram. And when I saw that you can actually make millions on Instagram, I was like, Onyi, where have you been all this while? Why now? But that's my time, I guess. So if you start today, it is not late, it is your time. How exactly can you make money from Instagram? Number 1, you can become an influencer. Now, most of you think that influencing is just for celebrities. The answer is no. If you're able to build a strong personal brand, trust me, many brands, many companies, many businesses will want to work with you. Now, if you don't know what influencing is all about, it is just you representing a brand or a company through your Instagram page or your Instagram account. Take for instance now, let's say on my Instagram account, I create content around cooking, how to cook this, how to cook that, how to cook that. I show the process. That's the type of content I'm posting on my page. Now, you will notice that brands like Maggie, brands like Terra Gold, all those brands, they will want to work with me. They want me to influence for their business, for their brand. Why? Because it is connected. Terra Gold is a seasoning cube, Maggie seasoning cube, and I create content that are related to what cooking. I show food, I show different recipe. They will want to work with me because it is related. Do you understand? That is why it is important for you to decide on the type of content you want to be posting. If you've been following me from day 1 to yesterday, I've been mentioning that if you want to start now, please pick a niche and focus on it. Don't be doing things haphazardly. Don't do A today, tomorrow you are doing cooking, next tomorrow you are doing fashion, next tomorrow you need to pick something and be known for that thing. Start something and be known for it. When we talk about Chef Amaka, you see the way she's working with brand, with no different brand. Why? Because that's what she's representing. She's a chef. Now, apart from being a chef, she creates content on Instagram related to cooking, healthy meals that you can prepare right in your kitchen. And this gave her opportunity to work with brands like No. Do you understand what I'm saying? So pick a particular niche and focus on it. If it's fashion you're interested in, focus on it. If it's lifestyle, focus on it. If it's food and the like, focus on it. If it's make money like Onyi here, focus on it. You will definitely see brands that will notice you and they'll be interested to work with you. And when they pay you money. You see these influencers, they are making money. So you can become an influencer for brands, right? Second thing you can do is you can sell your product. I mean, that's what I do on Instagram. I sell my product. I have a business page on Instagram where I sell bags. If you know me, you know I sell bags. Yeah? Hope you know. I sell bags, handbags, backpacks, anything bags. That's what I'm about on Instagram. And to be honest, I make money on Instagram selling my product. I make money on Instagram. Instagram has quality buyers. Let me put it that way. Instagram has what? Quality buyers. So if you're looking for how to sell off your product, let's say you don't even have a physical store and you want to start selling online, my number 1 for you is leverage on IG. Start selling on Instagram. You will get customers that want to buy from you just because they like what you're selling and they need it. Not necessarily pay on delivery. Not necessarily where is your working store. They are ready to pay you deliver to them, in as much as you're showing them that you're legit I mean, you have things on your page that they can go through and be able to trust you. Now, that takes me to my next point. Before you can be successful on Instagram, before people can trust you to buy what you're selling, please, you need to put in the work. If nobody will tell you this, I will tell you. You need to put in the work, starting from your bio. Now, I'm going to be sharing my phone screen with you all now, and I'll be sharing one of my Instagram pages, one that I'm not really active on. I'll be sharing it with you all. Guys, as you can see, this is one of my Instagram accounts, Onye Omora. I am not really active on here. So you can see how this page looks like. First things first, your bio. This is your bio. When I talk about bio, some of you are like, Onye, which section or what section are you talking about? Now, this is my bio. You see this section here? This is your bio, because immediately someone comes onto your page, this is the first place their eyes will go to. So that is your bio. Now, make sure that you have your name, and then coming down, you can see what I have there: train and mentor you on how to import from China. So your bio, the first thing is, what do you do? Tell us what you do on your bio. Your bio should not be your WhatsApp number. Some of you on your bio, the only thing you have is your WhatsApp number. That isn't professional. Tell us what you do. Here you can see clearly, if you jump onto this page, that I train and mentor you on how to import from China yourself, and I have mentored over 1,000 students. Tell us your achievement. Before people can trust you, they want to see that, okay, you have done this. Tell us what you have achieved. I have trained over 1,000 students, and then I also do Alipay exchange. Finally, you can see contact me. Please ensure that on your bio you always have a call to action. Sometimes people come to your page, especially those of you that sell things. Sometimes people come to your page and they are struggling to see how to send you message. But here you can see on my bio, I have a contact me link. So once they click on that link, it's like a link tree. Once they click on that contact me, it will take them to this mini website or something. From here, they can see about Onye, my YouTube channel. Then they can send me a WhatsApp message. Can you see WhatsApp connect? So once they click on it, it will take them straight to my WhatsApp. For those that want to follow me on YouTube, once they click on my YouTube channel, it will take them straight to my YouTube channel. Do you understand? So you need to have this. If you don't know how to get this tap link, please go to taplink.cc. It is free. This link tree here is free. You can use link tree, you can use tap link, whichever one you want. Okay, go there and register, and you'll be able to have this. I think I even have a well-detailed video where I explain this. So if I find that video, I'm gonna link it up here for you guys. So that's that about your Instagram bio. Now, aside from your Instagram bio, another thing that will make people trust you is for you to show your face. Show your face on your page. Yes, you sell shoes. Yes, you sell clothing. Don't just come onto your Instagram and post pictures and videos of clothes, of shoes, of clothes. Like, when I scroll and scroll and scroll, I want to see the face behind the brand. I don't want to, buy from somebody I don't know. When people see you frequently, when they see you constantly on their FYP, your face becomes familiar. And once it becomes familiar, they can easily trust you to buy from you. I make sales on a daily basis by the special grace of God from my Instagram. Why am I telling you this? You can make money on Instagram if you take your Instagram serious. Either you're selling your product, either you want to sell digital products, or you want to become an influencer. Trust me, if you start one, later on you can diversify. We have influencers today that are selling digital products, and they are equally selling physical products. A lot of them. But they did not start by doing the whole three at the same time. Pick one, focus on it. When you're good, when you've been able to build a community first, people that trust. When I say community, I mean people that are loyal, people that trust you, people that know you. Even without seeing you, they know you because you're always there, giving value, solving problems in your niche. You are important to them. In fact, when they think of your niche or they have any problem that they need answers for, they come on here, they search for your name, knowing fully well that you always drop value on your page. That is when you know that you're building a community. That is when you know that you're building a community of followers that are not just following you, but they are automatically your customers because they trust you. They can, oh my God, they can support you in anything at all you're doing. Guys, haven't you seen some people who come onto their Instagram page and they're like, oh, I need about 50,000 naira now to do this, to do this. One follower will just send them 50k. Why? Because they've been able to build that community. They have that loyal fans. I'm not saying you should go and start asking for money or begging for money online, but this is just to let you know that this online space, there are potentials. See, you're supposed to use this social media to make money, not just to be scrolling. And this 90 days challenge, I don't know what you're doing if you've not started something. Go on your Instagram, open an Instagram account. I have videos that will show you how to open an Instagram business account, how to go in depth with your bio. So start posting. Start posting. Please don't relax. Oh, I don't have a good phone camera. That phone that you have, that camera that you have, wipe it. Before I make videos, I usually wipe my phone camera, the lens behind it. Wipe it very well. Make sure you're taking your videos during the day. If you don't have ring lights and all that, during the day when the sun is up, go make your video, maybe video of your products. Have like a settings outside, right? You can make good videos of your products you post. People want to see clear pictures or videos of what you sell. And once in a while, try to sit down like this and talk to your phone camera. People want to see the face behind that brand. You can just come and say, oh guys, have you shopped from us today? Guys, it's a new week. Happy new week. Show up for your brand, show up for your business. People want to be able to see you, relate with you, so you can actually make money on Instagram. I have mentioned influencing. You can sell your digital product, you can sell your product, but first things first, you need to start creating content and start posting on your Instagram account. Guys, creating content is not hard. I don't know what other language to use, but when you hear create content, some of you kind of cringe, some of you kind of feel, oh, it is something difficult. Just pick your phone, hold it like this, talk. Hello, I woke up this morning. Storytelling. If you know how to tell stories, you are going to blow big time on Instagram. Hi guys, you know what? I woke up this morning and I was so tired. You'll be wondering, it's morning. Why am I tired? I slept so late yesterday because I was trying to plan my content for today. I don't want to just start up without a good plan. I was planning my content, scripting it out, and I slept so late. But yeah, we are awake and it's a good day. Let's head over and start creating. That's content. Post it, edit and post. That is a content. People, you will see that people will like it. It is relatable. You're telling them how your day went. See, people want to be able to relate with you. Don't come and start forming phonetics. You want to start speaking phonetics when naturally you don't know how to speak it. I'm sorry. Just be you. You will see people that are coming and just speaking. Oh boy, you know what happened to me today? I went to Yanoba market to go and buy stuff that I'll use and make pap. And when I went there, guess how much I bought a printer of maize? Guys, people didn't tell me this is quite expensive. I bought a printer of maize for around 3,000 naira. The last time I bought, you're telling them a story. You will see people, oh, in my area, people will go down your comment section. In my area, I bought for 1.5. They are engaging with your content already. It is not difficult. Posting content, creating content is not difficult. You're just making it look ambiguous in your mind, in your head. Just create that content and post. You know those ones that you've created and you're staring at it. Oh, it's not looking good. Post it. Guys, once you are able to start posting, you are already on the way to making money. I just want you to break off those shields, start posting. You are on your way to making money already. This video is not meant to be too long. I'll post more videos on the screen for you, videos that will help you with creating your account. I didn't show you how to create an account, reason because I already have a video on this channel on that. So go create your account, start posting content on your Instagram page. I love you guys. Bye.